Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into Wordtune, an AI writing assistant that helps you improve your writing. Whether you're a blogger, student, or professional, Wordtune can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. Here's a quick rundown of how to use Wordtune. Head over to the Wordtune website. You can use it directly in your browser or download extensions for Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and even mobile devices. Paste your text into the editor. This could be anything from a single sentence to a whole article. Highlight the specific text you want to rewrite. Click the Rewrite button. Wordtune will analyze your text and offer several suggestions for improvement. These suggestions might include rephrasing the sentence, using stronger verbs, or changing the tone. Choose the suggestion you like best. You can also click on the menu to see options for changing the tone, casual, formal, etc. or shortening, expanding the text, premium features. Repeat for other parts of your writing. Wordtune can be used throughout your writing process to improve clarity, conciseness, and overall style. Beyond rewriting, Wordtune also offers a summarization feature. This can be handy for quickly getting the gist of a long article or document. Overall, Wordtune is a user-friendly and effective tool that can help you write more confidently and efficiently. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to Wordtune. There's a whole world of AI tools out there waiting to be explored.